Hey everybody, Carrie Mitchell here with another beginner dance tutorial just for you. And today we're dancing to Sucker by the Jonas Brothers. And as always, it's simple, it's short, it's sweet. Anyone can do it. Stand up and dance with me. As always, please remember that this video is the tutorial only, and that if you would like to see what the dance looks like with music, you can check out the link down in the description below. All right, so you're gonna hold the first 2 8 counts of the song, and on the third 8 count, you're gonna walk in, and here's what the steps gonna look like. It's gonna be 2 slow walks, right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sassy on, kind of cute and sassy walking. Let me show it from behind, this is what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, you're gonna rock, step, or ball change forward and back. 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's right, left, left. And you want to sit down into those ball changes, so low and low. Yeah? So 2 walks, 2 ball changes. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, forward, 6, 7, 8. We're going to walk in, like I said. So I'm going to come from here, and I'm going to go to my spot, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to take 2 more walks again. 1, 2, 3, 4. By the end of that, you want to be facing the front, and you're going to do 2 more ball changes. So the same thing, but this time I'm going to ball change it out. 5, 6, and then I'm going to go back to the back corner. 7, 8. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. Same thing. Right, left, right, left. Arms, I'm going to push this right arm across the first time. 5, 6, and then a no arms on 7, 8. Okay, so 2 8 counts of walks and rock steps. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, ball change. 5, 6, 7, 2 walks to face the front. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're going to step touch. Nice and simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy peasy. Arms are just going to kind of do a step, snap, step, snap. It's just a fun little groove step, so they can kind of go up and down here. They can go side to side. Carlton, not really. Okay, so that's on 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to do little hip circles to the right. It's going to look like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. And see how I'm kind of lifting my heel up to help that little right hip circle around on 5, 6, 7, 8. As I do that, I'm going to take my hands, cross them over my head, and then let them fall down. So that'll be 5, 6, 7, 8. So that whole 8 count is step, touch, little hip circle, little hip circle. Counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to do another step touch, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to do 1 big hip circle around. 5, 6, 7, 8. As you do, I'm going to take my hands, I'm going to push them. 5, 6, 7, 8. So they push around. 5, 6, 7, 8. So that second 8 count of step touches is 1, 2, 3, 4, big circle. 5, 6, 7, 8. With these hip circles, they're starting to the right, so they're going to that back corner, and to the back, in this corner, and then around. And the little hip circles are doing the same thing, same motion. So those 2 8 counts together, step touch. 5, 6, 7, step touch. 2 little hip circles, 5, 6, 7, step touch. 1 big hip circle, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to do a chasse step to the right. All it is a triple step, 3 steps, right, left, right. Right, left, right. And then you're going to do another rock step or ball change. Rock, step, left, right. And then we're going to go back this way. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Just try that. Right, left, ball, change. Left, right, left, ball, change. Arms are going to go up on 1 and 2. They're just gonna push down on 3, 4. They're gonna go back up. 5 and 6. Don't trip. And then on 7, 8, as you rock, they're just gonna come to your head. And the lyrics say something about your brain. Medicine for my brain, to my brain, whatever the lyrics say. So again, the arms go up and down, then up to your head. Nice. Counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. We're going to do one more chasse. That's that little triple step. 1 and 2. If you don't want to turn, you're going to go 3, 4, 5 to face the corner. Left, right, left. So it's one more chasse. Right, left, left, left. Okay? Arms on the chasse are going to be an L. So left arm straight out, right arm to the side. We're going to go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. Arms come straight out on 5. If you want to add a little turn, it's going to turn this way. So you're going to turn back over your left shoulder. It's going to look like this. 1 and 2, left, right, left. So it's the same thing, left, right, left. You're just stepping around yourself. When you're doing turns like this, you don't want to take super big steps. You want to keep your steps little and right up under you, and that's going to help you control it a little better, okay? So watch again for the turning. Right, left, left, left. If you want to turn, yeah? Counts will be 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're all here, whether you turn or not. We're going to hold 6. You're going to wrap your right arm 7, wrap your left arm 8. So they touch your shoulders on 7, 8. So this was 5, hold 6, 7, 8. Very nice. Let's go back to that chasse step. So it's going to be chasse, ball change, chasse, turn. We ended here. We went 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to go to your right. 1 and 2, ball change. 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, one more. Now we turn 3, 4, 5, hold 6, wrap 7, wrap 8. Let's go back to the top. So stepping on your right foot, 2 walks, and that rock step forward and back. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 2 walks. 1, 2, 3, 2 rock steps. 5, 6, 7, 2 walks. 1, 2, 3 rock step. 5, 6, 7 step, touch. 2 little hip circles. 5, 6, 7 step, touch. 1 big hip circle. 5, 6, chasse, ball change. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, one more. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. We just finished here. You're gonna do some more hip circles, yay! Now we're gonna go to the left. We're gonna give that left hip a little action. So this time you're gonna go back to the left corner first and circle this way. And you're just gonna do 2 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you do, just let those arms kind of fall down. So you're here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna keep the hip circle going as you pick up your right foot, and it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, then you go 5, 6, 7, 8, and now we're facing this corner. So this step takes a little bit of practice to feel natural. So if it feels weird at first, that's normal, you're normal. So we're here, 7, 8, we circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another option, if you don't like those hip circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, you can kind of push your hip out on 5, 6, 7, 8. That's an option too, okay? All right, so we finished here. You're gonna do 4 steps again, stepping on your right foot. We're gonna go cross, back, 4, all your arms are going to do 4 claps. So it's going to look like this. Finish here on 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 5, 6, clap and step. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to touch your right foot out. Really sit into this left leg. And you're going to go down your leg, stick your hips back, and then you're going to pull everything up. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. We went 1, 2, 3, 4, touch. 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, stepping on your right foot, 4 claps. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, touch out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to step back out on our right leg, and we're kind of going to sit into that hip. 1, pop it up on 2, hand comes up, and then we go the other way. 3, 4. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to take your hands down. 5, 6, 7, 8. And as you do, you're going to work your hips side to side. 5, 6, 7, 8. So that whole 8 count, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 hips, 5 hips, 6, 7, 8. Last 8 count, you're going to do another little triple step forward. This one's going to be more of a, it's like that chasse, we went side to side. This is going to be more of an up, up, down, down. So kind of like you're running forward. Right, left, right, left. Okay, a little triple step forward. Arm is gonna go, you're gonna pull it across your shoulders, down, down. It's 1 and 2, 3 and 4. With the legs, it goes like this. I guess we're here. The legs goes like this. Right, left, right, left. Try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go right, left, left. You're going to step back, right, left, together. And as I come together, I'm going to rise up onto the balls of my feet, or releve. So we went 1 and 2, 3 and 4. As you step back, you're going to push with your right arm. So you're going to go right, left. This is tricky. Not really, but your momentum was going forward. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. You have to tell your brain, now we're going backwards. 5, 6. Right, left. Right, left. As you bring this right leg in and releve, you're just going to pull your hands out to the side. 7. Okay? So again, we went forward. 1 and 2. 3, now go back on your right. 5, 6 together. 7, you're going to not fall over, and you're going to throw your head back on 8. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? From 1 and 2. 5, 6, 7, triple step. 1 and 2, 3, now back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go back to the top and put it together nice and slow. See what it all looks like. And remember this first 8 count where you're walking and you're rocking, you're just kind of moving around the room. I'm coming from over here just because, just move around your room. And then when you get to the part here is when you're kind of set in a position, a space. It's all for fun. Okay, here we go. Starting with those 2 walks, nice and slow. 5, 6, step on your right. 1, 2, 3, rock, step. 5, 6, 7, 2 walks again. 1, 2, 3, rock, out. 5, 6, step, touch. 1, 2, little hip circles. 5, 6, 7, step, touch again. 1, 2, 3, a big hip circle. 5, 6, chasse to your right. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 5 and 6, 7, one more. Now we turn. 3, 4, 5, hold. 6, 7 hip circles. Left, 2, 3, 4, around. 5, 6, 7, now we clap. Right, left, down. 5, 6, 7, 8, sit. 1, 2, 3, hips go. 5, 6 triple step to the front, right, left, now back, right, left, right, up. Very nice, y'all. Let's do it one more time, up to tempo, put it all together. Thanks so much for hanging in there with me. This is just a nice, simple, short, sweet combo to get you up and get you moving. So let's do it. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, rock step. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, rock step. Step, touch, little hip circles. Step, touch, big hip circle. 5, 6, chasse right, left, left. Now we turn. 3, 4, 5, hold 6. Circle 1, 2. Take it around. Clap your hands. Down. 5, 6, 7, sit. 1, 2. Hips. 5, 6. Triple step. Now back. Right, left, right, up. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a good one. See you next time.